Meghan Markle's upcoming Netflix cooking show has sparked controversy, with accusations of plagiarism leveled against her by Emma Thynn, Marchioness of Bath. The allegations center on striking similarities between Markle's show's aesthetic and recipes and Tynn's established online culinary brand. The controversy has ignited intense online debate, with many pointing out the apparent parallels between the two women's presentations. The core of the dispute lies in the visual and thematic similarities between Markle's show, as previewed in the trailer, and Tynn's existing YouTube channel, Emma's Kitchen, and Instagram presence. The similarities extend beyond mere coincidence. They encompass specific details such as the use of bee-friendly imagery, a down-to-earth cooking style, and even the specific type of flower-adorned apron worn by both women. These parallels suggest a level of imitation that extends beyond accidental resemblance. Thynn, Britain's first black marchioness, has cultivated a significant online following through her years of creating culinary content on YouTube, boasting over 54,000 subscribers. Her brand, launched in the Longleat estate, is known for its elegant and simple approach to cooking, often featuring fresh flowers and a refined aesthetic, transforming even basic recipes, such as a Victoria sponge cake, into visually stunning presentations. The fact that Thynn has subsequently posted 2 videos of herself making a Victoria sponge cake, following the release of Markle's trailer, further fuels the perception of a deliberate response to the alleged copying. The alleged plagiarism extends beyond mere visual similarities. A blind item in the Sedition publication suggests Thynn is pursuing legal action against Netflix, implying that the alleged copying extends to recipes as well. This legal threat underscores the seriousness of Tynn's accusations and her determination to protect her intellectual property. The situation is particularly poignant given Tynn's personal experiences with racism within the British establishment, adding a layer of emotional weight to the dispute. The alleged appropriation of Tynn's brand by Markle, a former actress with a less established culinary background, is seen by many as a particularly egregious act, given the effort and personal investment Tynnn has put into building her brand. The situation is further complicated by Markle's own complex relationship with the British royal family. Markle's actions are interpreted by some as an attempt to reclaim a sense of British royal identity, perhaps to counter the negative press she has received since leaving the royal family. However, this interpretation suggests a level of hypocrisy, as Markle's actions appear to simultaneously embrace and undermine the very system she has publicly criticized. The alleged copying, therefore, is not just a matter of culinary imitation. It's perceived as a calculated move to leverage a British identity while simultaneously challenging the establishment. The contrast between Markle's actions and Tynn's response highlights a broader issue of cultural appropriation and the protection of intellectual property in the digital age. Tynn's response, characterized by a firm stance and the pursuit of legal recourse, is seen by many as a justified defense of her brand and her creative work. Her actions are interpreted not merely as a personal grievance, but as a stand against the appropriation of cultural identity and the exploitation of established brands by those with greater resources and visibility. The situation is far from simple. It's not merely a case of 2 individuals wearing similar aprons. It involves complex issues of cultural appropriation, intellectual property rights, and the ongoing narrative surrounding Meghan Markle's relationship with the British monarchy. The controversy highlights the challenges of navigating the complexities of brand identity, cultural heritage, and the ethical considerations of creative expression in a highly competitive and often unforgiving media landscape. The situation's unfolding is being closely watched, not only for its legal implications, but also for its broader commentary on the dynamics of power, cultural representation, and the ongoing tensions between tradition and modernity. Emma Thynn's determined pursuit of justice is seen by many as a crucial step in protecting both her brand and the integrity of creative work in the digital age. The outcome of this dispute will likely set a significant precedent for future cases involving similar allegations of plagiarism and cultural appropriation within the increasingly complex world of online content creation.